Oh my gosh, you guys, it's finally here. I know, I gotta take a deep breath and calm down a minute, but holy bananas, you guys, my box finally arrived. I mean, truthfully, I think you guys would be relieved and excited too if you were like me, waiting for your favorite box, and you're like, where is it? And it's just not arriving. Like, now that I finally have it, I'm excited. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. If you're new to my channel and this is the first time you've ever seen one of my videos, you're probably thinking, what is this crazy lady talking about? Why is she freaking out? And I'll explain it to you guys. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box for January 2025. Now this subscription box happens to be one of my personal favorite beauty boxes out there. It's great value. It has awesome brand names inside of it. You receive full-size products in your monthly box as well. So it ticks every box out there in terms of a good subscription box. So that's why I love it. This month, my box was a bit behind, and I honestly don't think it was Allure's fault. I saw that they uploaded the tracking number on time. Normally, I receive it within the first few days of the month, and then I share it with you guys. But this month, they uploaded the tracking, and it just sat at a lot of different USPS facilities. So I just assume it's probably because the mail system is overrun, they're short-staffed, it's the time of year. There's also been a lot of weather delays lately as well. So I really don't think there was anything wrong. I just had to be patient, and it's really hard to do that when you really like a box and you're really excited to get it. So if you've not seen the Allure Beauty Box, like I mentioned, this is the January box. It is currently shipping right now in the month of January. So if you would like to receive the exact box that I'm going to show you guys today, you have to place your order in this month in order to get this box. Now, I will be posting a link down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing this subscription. I also will be including a discount code down there as well. Now, that discount code is not only going to save you $10 off of your first box, you're also going to receive a free bonus product as a new member. And yes, I do have that new members gift with me here today. So everyone in the month of January will receive a free full-size gift from Kylie Cosmetics if you are a new member. So if you're signing up this month in January, this is what you're going to receive as your bonus gift. It is a full-size product, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. The shade that we have here is Chloe, and it's going to be a gorgeous neutral shade. It does look like it has like a touch of pink underneath of it, so it's still going to be a really feminine gloss. So this is what it's going to look like here. You can tell that, like I said, it is warmer. It's got that neutral tone, but it's still got just like a hint of pink underneath of this. Now I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch for you guys. That way you can take a look at this color. I did use one of the liquid lips that we got from this brand a couple of months ago. It goes down beautifully. I have to just say that this product is smooth, it's soft, it's not sticky at all. It's a gorgeous matte finish. If you ever want to add like a gloss to this, you could absolutely put like a clear gloss over top of it. But if you like a true matte, I felt like this was just perfect, but it didn't dry out my lips either, which was another reason why I liked it. Sometimes matte lipsticks are really drying, and especially in winter, I mean, I don't need them to dry out any faster than they already are. So I really liked this formula that it still was matte, but it wasn't like it was just absorbing all the moisture. But technically, this free gift for January will pay for your entire box. So again, this is always the great thing about Allure is instead of going to Sephora or Ulta and buying one singular product, you can buy the entire subscription box for that same price point. Now, Allure does promise that we will receive 3 full-size products every single month in our subscription box. So the first full-size product that we have for January is coming from a brand called Maylis. This is their Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip. So this is a full-size product. It's 100 ml or 3.4 ounces. This is a whipped body butter, so it is going to give you hydration. They do recommend that you apply this on overnight. That way you'll get maximum hydration and see really good results from it. The additional perk of this product is not only does it give you hydration, but it's also supposed to be a toning product. So it's going to help to tighten up any loose skin. You're going to see that it's going to be firmer, smoother, and softer all at the same time. So I do feel like this is a great product to receive in winter. We talk about having hydration all year round, but in winter, you got to really fight back. So I do think this is applicable to receive right now in January, but I like the idea that this is a toning cream. So for myself, I'm always trying to use creams around my neck just to try to keep everything tight and toned. This is something that I would be interested in trying out and seeing how it performs. Now, I've not personally tried this product, so I can't give you guys a review on this just yet. I did read, though, that this is supposed to smell like lavender. So I was like, that's also a nice touch because lavender, it has a lot of like calming properties and it can help you sleep better. So again, if you put this on before bed, I know they're not making those claims that you'll sleep better, but in theory, if you apply it right before bed, not only will it be soft and toned and everything else, but it might help you to sleep a little bit better. Now this product, if you want to purchase it, $39, you guys. $39 to buy this one cream, or you get the whole box for $15. And this is why I always go back to Allure. Like every single month I point out to you guys the prices and how it's a much better deal. But this is why. I mean, you just can't beat getting an entire box of beauty for less than one item. Okay, so moving on to our second full-size product this month. This is coming from Ahava. This is the Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. The idea is that this mask is going to cleanse and purify your skin. It will make it softer. So you're supposed to apply this mask on and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it off right afterwards. And it's going to help to remove any impurities from your pores, and that way your skin will be softer and smoother afterwards. So you should have clearer, cleaner skin after using this product. So this is what it will look like here. Like I said, it is a full-size bottle. This brand, Ahava, makes a lot of different products and a lot of skincare products. I have found that their lotions and their moisturizers are very hydrating. Like my hands, they have a hand lotion that made my skin feel extremely soft. So I do like that they include natural ingredients in their products, and I have found them to be effective. Now this product I've not personally used again, so I can't give you a review on this, but I do really like this brand. Now, if you were gonna go to the Ahava website and purchase this product, it would come in at $39 for this full-sized item. I'm not gonna say it again or I'll sound like a broken record, but you know what I'm thinking. And the third official full-size product for January is coming from Ciate London. Now this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this is a full-size product. So this powder is translucent. It's not gonna have any color to it. Essentially, you can put this on when you're doing your beauty routine and it will absorb oils. And it also will help to keep everything in place longer. So you can actually set your makeup using this powder. But because it is just translucent, it's not gonna change any of the colors that you are using on your face. So like for me, I do use some bronzer or some blush. This is not going to interact and change it or make it muddy or murky, anything like that. So this is a full-sized product that we have here. So those are the three full-size products that you're going to receive in your January box, but you're also going to receive 3 sample or travel-sized items. So the first travel-sized item that we have is a fragrance from Juliet Has a Gun. Now this is going to be their signature fragrance. The name is called Juliet, and this is their iconic strong perfume. If you've ever smelled anything from this brand, they're very strong perfumes. One thing that I like about this is that it's actually very generous considering it's a fragrance. So this is 5 ml or 0.17 ounces for this spritzer. And I say it's generous because usually when we get sample perfumes, we get those little cards, and those little vials are only 1.2 ml of fragrance. So to get 5, I feel like that's quite a bit. Now the scent notes on this perfume are cherries and pink pepper. And it will give you an overall effect that is wintry and sexy. So this is the perfect winter perfume. So again, I mean, I kind of like that they sent it in January for that reason. And the last two travel-sized items that we have in our box for January are coming from Monday. This will be a duo set. So this is their shampoo and conditioner set. This is their moisture version, and it is designed for normal to dry hair, which, you know, in January, I get it, dry hair. This is going to be a paraben-free, cruelty-free, and recycled brand. So this will just be their travel-sized amount here. So this is what it will look like for the individual bottles. But like I said, you're going to receive the shampoo and the conditioner together. I always like when they send these as a duo for any box. It's not just Allure, but I like when we get the shampoo and conditioner together because you can really see if you like one or the other, because there are some brands that I like their conditioner, but I don't like their shampoo, or vice versa. So now you can try it out and see, is it just the brand I don't like? Is it just one product? I like that they sent both. Now, if you wanted to purchase this brand, you can go on to Amazon to purchase it. That's interesting. Usually they send us back to like the brand's website, but this one says just go to Amazon.com and you can purchase it for $7.99 for the full size bottles. Now it's $7.99 a piece, but yeah, that's really strange to me that they said just go to Amazon. I mean, don't get me wrong, I shop on Amazon all the time, so I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but yeah, I'm just surprised it doesn't go to the brand. So this is everything that's included in the January box for Allure. This is all of the products that you will receive as a new member, and you're gonna be able to save $10 as well. So you're gonna get everything in this box for only 15 bucks this month. So if you guys are interested in this box, don't forget that it is time sensitive and that you would need to order here in the month of January. And then you're also gonna need to enter that discount code in order to officially receive the free product and the discount. So that is everything for today's unboxing video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm just relieved that my box finally showed up. So I'm so glad that it's here today. If you guys are interested in seeing what's coming next for Allure in February, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I will be posting that video as soon as I get my box here. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!